It's raining over there actually. I don't know if you can see, but it is raining over there. The clouds and all over there. So, yeah, beautiful weather.
By seeing this water, I feel like to do a dive here. You know, so nice the water.
Yeah.
But I'm scared of water.
You're scared of water?
I don't know swimming, bro.
You don't know swimming?
No, don't go too much this way. It's all grass.
I also don't know swimming.